Hey, it's John the Net Guy, and today we're taking a look at two different options when it comes to your iPhone 16 Pro Max and a screen protector. I highly recommend you don't leave the store without one, but if you've made it all the way home, treat your phone very carefully and order one of these today. Now, the two versions that I've got here are from ESR. This is a privacy screen protector. This one is designed so when you come at just a very slight angle, the screen becomes completely dark for an eavesdropper or somebody else that wants to take a look at it. Now, this other one is from the Ailun company. I've used these with all of my phones from my 8 to my 12 and now to my 16 Pro Max. So this is a screen protector completely installed. Very easy to install. This is the ESR on my right hand. Now you'll notice that the screens are identical, but the ESR does cut down your brightness somewhat. Now the 16 Pro Max has a 2000 nit brightness, so it should be able to blow right through that. I'm going to show you the magic trick that these guys can do. Are you ready? This one goes completely black at an angle. Screen is on and an angle. And just to prove it, I'm going to show you on the side. Yep. This one, you can see, this is the normal one and this is the privacy one. So definitely works very well. So just turning slightly, just a few degrees, 15, 20 degrees, and now your eavesdroppers on the bus, airplane, whatever, can't see your screen. Now you can see this one a little bit better because this one is a little bit brighter and it's more blown out by my camera, but same thing. If I turn just slightly on a white screen, it is almost completely jet black. This one has a privacy filter on it. So very happy with these. Both of them are going to have incredible hardness. They're both 9H hardness, I believe, and it is your choice. This one is a little bit harder to install, I would say. It does not come on as easily. This one is going to include a teal alignment tool, which is going to help you align your screen protector. This one didn't fit on as easily. On the Ailun here, it actually has a back glass protector for your camera lenses. This one, actually, this alignment tool fits on a little bit better, and it does have a notch for the power button here. So I did enjoy this alignment tool a little bit better. Now, one thing about this screen protector, it actually does cover the front glass here, whereas the other one doesn't cover that front camera completely. This one has a small, clear, non-polarized area for your camera to work at different angles. So that is one slight difference on all of these. Overall, it's up to you which one you want to pick up. Thanks for watching.